In this video, I'm going to show you how to posterize in Photopea. First, head over to Photopea and open the image you want to edit. To do this, click on the File option at the top left corner of your screen and then select Open. Choose the image from your device and it will appear in your workspace. If needed, you can adjust the image before applying the effect. For example, you can use the crop tool from the left side of your screen to crop the image and focus on the area you want. Once your image is prepared, make sure the image layer is selected in the Layers panel. To apply the Posterize effect, there are two main ways. You can go to the Image menu at the top, hover over Adjustments, and choose Posterize. However, a better method is to use an adjustment layer so you can change the settings later. To do this, go to the bottom right side of your screen in the Layers panel and click the New Adjustment Layer icon. From the list of options, select Posterize. Once the Posterize adjustment layer is added, a Properties panel will appear with a Levels slider. This slider controls how many color levels remain in the image. Lower values create a stronger posterized effect with fewer colors, while higher values keep more color detail. A common range that works well for many images is between 3 and 5 levels, but you can experiment with different values to achieve the style you prefer. After you adjust the levels, you can close the Properties panel. If your project contains multiple images but you only want the effect to apply to a specific one, you can use a clipping mask. To do this, right-click on the Posterize adjustment layer and select Clipping Mask. Make sure the adjustment layer is positioned directly above the image layer you want it to affect. This ensures that the effect applies only to that image. In many posterized designs, people also convert the image to black and white for a more graphic look. If you want to do that, click the New Adjustment Layer icon again and choose Black and White. This will convert the colors into grayscale, and you can adjust the color sliders if you want to control how different tones appear. Just like before, you can right-click this adjustment layer and choose Clipping Mask so it only affects the same image layer. After applying these adjustments, your image will have a clear posterized appearance with simplified color levels and strong visual contrast. And this is how you can posterize in Photopea.